My name is Jana, and I am your full-time GOBC instructor for almost 20 years. I love to keep my students on their toes. It doesn't matter if you're going to be watching my pre-recorded videos or if you are gonna end up in one of my live classes. I always make sure that nobody skips my class, everybody listens to my information, and I will use a lot of stories, because what's important for the exam is not how much information you know, but what you actually remember. And that's what will save you in the exam. So my students always tell me when they go for their actual exam, they always hear my voice, my Ukrainian voice in their heads. And they always tell me that, you know what, those stories is what saved me on the exam. All I ask from you is to be teachable and to be focused. Because it's, at the end of the day, it's not how much you study, it's what you remember for that exam. And yes, life will get in your way. And yes, sometimes people will try to bring you down and tell you this is not for you. Don't listen to anyone. Follow your goals, follow your dreams, and be teachable. Follow the system that we created for you, because it works, and will help you to achieve those goals nice and fast.